Sam go on the other side?
We could do.
Well, you take that one, Sam. Have you kayaked before?
On a swimming pool.
So. On a swimming pool. Amount in a swimming pool, so we'll need a bit of instruction here.
Oh. It's very simple. You have to try and sit as steady as you can. Now remember, about shoulder width apart. Take it very steadily. Don't wobble about too much, because if you wobble, you'll tip in.
It's not a splash, you're just pulling the water past you.
If you do tip in, Keith and I will come and get you. Just hold on to the canoe. Just fall out the canoe and hold on.
It's fairly cold, but if you noticed how shallow it all was, you probably find you're actually standing up. You ready?
And try and keep your pad.
Get your knees, get your feet out. Sorry, push your feet out. Your feet need. No.
Maybe.
Your legs
have to be straight. Straighten your legs out. Sit down and straighten your legs out.
Just push me out. Just push me out. Don't push me out. Slower then.
Try not to lean too much, you just take it steady.
No.
Well, get out of Juliet's way then.
See how shallow it is, because you're touching the bottom.
How can I do that? Moving.
Try and keep the paddle fairly low. That's it. Keep it near the top of the canoe.
And Sam, if you can try and
stay with them.
Everybody else.
I'm trying to steer.
Yeah, we'll try and turn round now.
Why don't we all three of us try and paddle together? Yeah. I can't
Look at the whole big bucket. You're a big splash. Send somebody to get you.
I won't know once I've gone away, I don't think.
Really?